Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this small little embellishment box that I made for a Happy Mail swap. The theme is Valentine's for this little box. So yeah, let's get started. So on the front here I have this little gold doily, some crepe paper rosettes, and then there's a love heart crepe paper rosette, and this, I'm not exactly sure what it is. It could be a flower or a butterfly. I was gifted different colors of these a few years ago actually, and I found it when I was creating for this, and I just thought it would look really super cute on top. So inside we have some of these like wax seal stamps. I didn't make these. One of my pen pals actually made a whole bunch for me for a swap ages ago, and I thought these would be super cute to add in. I've got two little silver fabric hearts. They're like felt, I guess. We've got a really big paper clip, and then I added this little tassel onto this teardrop shaped paper clip, which I thought was super duper cute. We have a little wooden heart and some small pink, they're like resin hearts. I'm not quite sure, but they're puffy, kind of. In the bottom row, we've got some paper flowers. These are from the Reject Shop, and I just think they're so gorgeous. We've got a mix of really small pom-poms, all in pink shades, some leather tassels in different pink shades, a bunch of love heart sequins, and lastly we've got a few little circle stickers, and it says handmade with love. I thought they were super cute. So that's what I've included in this little embellishment box. It's going off today in the mail, so I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Come find me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video.